People don't disrespect you because you're weak. They disrespect you because they learned there would be no cost for it. Maybe you've noticed this in yourself. You stay polite, you stay patient, and somehow people still cross the line. We're told respect comes from being nice. But the real reason people respect someone is much simpler. They believe that person's boundaries are real. That's not the real reason most people lose respect. The real reason is predictability. When people know you'll tolerate almost anything, they stop measuring their behavior. They stop being careful. In real life, this looks like people constantly asking for more than they give. You probably do this without realizing it. The first psychology trick is silence. Not cold silence, not angry silence, just the ability to stop explaining yourself. People trust confidence more than explanations. The more you justify every choice, the more it looks like you're asking for permission. But here's what nobody talks about. The second trick is disappointment, not showing it, creating it. When someone expects unlimited access to you and suddenly finds limits, they feel the difference. That feeling changes behavior faster than arguments. We'll come back to that. The third trick is emotional consistency. People respect what they can predict, not because it's exciting, because it feels stable. Someone who changes their standards every day teaches others not to take those standards seriously. Maybe you've felt this for years. The fourth trick is not rushing to repair tension. Most people panic when a conversation becomes uncomfortable. They rush to fix it. They rush to smooth everything over. But that's not the whole story. The person who can sit calmly inside a little tension often gains more respect than the person who constantly removes it. Silence isn't weakness. The fifth trick is selective attention. Attention is a reward. People feel it. They notice it. When your attention is available to everyone at all times, it slowly loses value. This may explain something you've felt for years. The sixth trick goes deeper. People respect people who respect themselves, not publicly, privately, in the small moments nobody sees. The promises you keep to yourself become visible in ways you don't notice, and others respond to it. The final trick is understanding that respect is rarely demanded. It's detected. People scan for signals, boundaries, calmness, consistency, self-trust, and when those signals appear, respect often follows without a word being spoken. The strange part is that the people who earn the most respect are usually not trying to control anyone. They're simply no longer negotiating their own value. If you enjoy understanding the hidden psychology behind human behavior, subscribe to the Mind Lore.